Safety is not just all about being fully equipped with PPE and other gear before going to work. Being safe also means being secure. Construction sites pose many security challenges, from theft and vandalism to liability and trespassing issues. According to industry experts, roughly $400 million worth of construction machines and equipment are being stolen every year. With workers being focused on their own areas and tasks, it's difficult to keep track of those who should be there and those who should not. Without security in place, thieves can break into construction sites effortlessly and steal some of the valuable materials, tools, and equipment that are left behind. And it's not just about all the money spent on stolen items. Damages from theft may also put a hold on work for weeks or even months, which can affect the business's growth. So how can you keep a construction site secure? Every construction site has different locations and needs in order to achieve security. Here are some of the tips to keep your job site safe from theft and injuries. Number 1. Evaluate your work site's security needs. Was there a history of crime in the area? What does the work site look like at night? Does the area have designated security coordinators? Analyzing the risks that could happen in a work site before the actual construction begins to reduce the chances of theft and trespassing. Number 2. Buy more security lighting. No one will commit a crime when they can be seen. So make sure that the site is well lit, especially at night or when no workers are present. Choose a bright white light. It provides color differentiation, makes people easier to identify, and plate numbers are easier to read. Make sure to protect your power source. It's easy as 1, 2, 3 for the thieves to cut power lines and to dismiss any alarms. Keep it high in the air to prevent thieves from cutting them. Although this can be an expensive endeavor, lighting a job site all night can keep the job site free from trespassers. But alternatively, you can minimize the costs while still providing high security in the area through automatic and motion sensor lights, which you can program to turn on and off at various times at night. Motion sensor lights will stay off until someone moves in their field of vision. And when they are on, the motion sensor lights will cover the whole area and send criminals running. Number 3. Invest in security camera surveillance or CCTV. Technology allows us to monitor real-time activity fed from the CCTV to a monitor remotely. This, together with security lighting, will assist in identifying and prosecuting trespassers, thieves, and unwanted activities of employees 24/7. These CCTVs can be mounted to utility poles, fencing, and construction site areas. Number 4. Install security fences. Security fences contributes to the safety of your site, not only for the safety of people on the site, but this also includes protecting the public. A few things to keep in mind when installing fences: the higher the fence, the harder it is to climb. In most situations, seek to install 8-foot-high fencing around the construction area. Barbed wires at the top of the fences can make climbing and trespassing uncomfortable and difficult. The lesser the number of gates, the better, because the more gates that you have, the easier it is that the perimeter can be breached. Keep the area around your fence clean and far from obstructions. This will make it hard for the theft suspects and trespassers to hide and break into the work area undetected. Lastly, have a regular drug testing and screening. No matter how long you've known your employees, as an employer, you need to be consistent in conducting drug tests and screenings. Workers might show up in the workplace under the influence when you're not consistent with this rule. There's no place for intoxication on the construction site. Every workplace will have its own security challenges. Security is a serious business in construction, and one lapse can have devastating effects, not only on your business's operations, but on your employees' lives as well.